Thank you so much, MC. Your Excellency, General Davan Denkari, the Vice President, the Chairperson of International Cluster. Honorable AKuol Manyang, the National Minister of Trade Industry. Honorable Onyoti, the Minister of Livestock and Fisheries. Honorable Dr. Genga, the National Minister of Youth and Sport. Uncle Dr. Duncan, the Chair of the National Committee of the Republic of South Sudan. All Undersecretaries, business community leaders, and the Secretariat. Good evening. God is good. Oh, yeah. All the time. Finally, we are here. I'm the happiest to see this conclusion today. It was only 2 weeks ago that my minister called me and asked me, Honorable Undersecretary, we want to understand what is going on in the market. And this is how I want us to do. How do you want us to do it? I welcome the idea. But she asked me, do you think you people are capable of doing this? I said yes. She asked me again, are you sure you will do it? I said yes. My yes of that day is what you have seen today. I cannot be more than proud of our DGs and the entire staff of the Ministry of Trade Industry, how they are well organized and how they are qualified. And I don't know if there's anyone who can today still doubt their abilities to organize and to deal with the business and with private sector. Let me appreciate the chair of the planning committee, DG Talman. Talman, you can stand up to your committee members so that the public can see you. The members of the committee, very good, sit down. Now, the Secretariat, our able Secretariat who have done our stand work, can you stand up and wave the forum, the Secretariat? Your Excellency, the people you have seen here are the staff of the Ministry of Trade Industry. But we employ 2,000 people who can bring out at night and they can actually respond to the order of the one of them is AKuol Manyang, and another one is Malana Anwar. We should pay the future government. When we call them, the service of national call. And the thing we have actually came up with is something that has never been done till the independence of the Republic of South Sudan. So the Canada, my two brothers, the Minister of Trade is working for the contribution and will continue to engage you as long as two of us are there. Also, let me the list of the company of several providers, the name by Honorable Natalia. You know, Honorable Natalia has been here with us from 9 to 5. He never missed it 1 hour. This shows that the forum is so important and so personal to him and the government of several about it. And all what we've been discussing will, of course, end up being implemented in Central Equatorial State. So there will be a chair of what we are discussing. For the private sector, I need to tell your presentation and all the concern you raised. And I said during the opening, your government will be responsive. And especially the Ministry of Trade Industry will for you at all times. One of the things I suggested the day before that day was Monday and Friday. I suggested like the issue of harassment, roadblocks, double taxing that are raised by our brother said that why don't we clear the whole line that the Canadian court actually saying if he is here trying to remove my card. Can we have a whole line? Because the whole line can be the Minister of Trade, can be the governor's office, can be even with the office of the IGP of the CDM. So let's say that we can really have the direct communication. But it's not there, but we can still revise it. I want to add one thing before I conclude. This country belongs to us. And there is not anybody that can intimidate anybody. When the resolution were presented, you have seen one of the key problems raised by the Minister of Justice was the issue of exemption. The issue of exemption is being abused. And I think after this conference, the Minister of Trade and Industry, plus the Minister of Finance, and the Minister of Petroleum need to sit down and discuss the issue of exemption. As said by the President, international organization, yes, we have been on the outside agreement. But it is only when they are bringing in the goods directly. But when they are giving contract to third parties that are making profit, those companies must pay tax to the government of South Sudan. There is no way to agree. The same thing is oil industry. You can go to oil industry, you get the companies that are giving bonus, and those bonuses are actually protected by the oil industry that you can pay tax. What are making profit out of this? So the country is losing too. It's losing the contract, and it's losing the taxes. So let's take the responsibility of what is going on in our country. Let's be in China. There is nobody that will deal with come from anywhere to come and actually implement all what we can take our country forward.